So I just want to show you what you can do with Webflow with the using build. So this would be a landing page set up, and if you can see over here, you've got something that's called add component. So you would have basically a landing page, and you would go to add component. So if you go add component, it will come up with a whole lot of components which would be set up properly for you. And I'm just going to show you here. If you would go to, say you want on your landing page, you want a, okay, well there's a footer, doesn't need to drag that in, but let's say there's a footer, and then we want to drag in, so you can see over here it's dragged in as a footer, and then we want the nav, so I'm just going to go for nav, so there's a nav bar, so I'm just going to drag it in below, and move it above there. So now we've got a nav in our footer, and as you can see, you can drag it where you want. And let's add in a section. Let's add in a section like I prepared a section. Hang on. Yeah, webinar section. So let's say this is a section, right? Did it add? No, it didn't add, so let's go. So let's go webinar section. Okay, so we're going to pull in this as well. Okay, so say this is what you want on your page. So you've basically created your landing page. Now, what can also be part of the functionality is we can have different options of this section. So, for example, you see over here it says base, and then we can do, say, there's one with different color option, and there can be one with a different variation. And you can see over here that this is editable, so you can thriving to change. This can be edited to something else, and the text is editable over here, so you can change the text over here or this, etc., and you can upload a new image. So it's just a case of deciding what elements you want. All the elements can be available, and then you can literally set up a page as you want. And there can be other pages, for example, like this one over here. You can drag in. So this one is so this is like editable over here. You can change this, and and there can be other components that are not necessarily editable, like this date and time. So I haven't said it to be editable, so this could be something that's static, that doesn't change, whereas something like this, you could go in and fill in the times. So that's the power of the build function in Webflow. You literally have freedom to actually build landing pages as you want, and then you'll be able to publish them based on the page name, etc.